Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to set up this Asus router. If you want to reset the Asus router, very simple. Take a pen. At the back, there's a reset hole. So just push it and hold it for 15 seconds. Release. Then the light will flash. Then reset done. In order to allow this router to connect to the internet, so pull a cable from the Wi-Fi and plug into the WAN port. So for the LAN port means that it's only connection for the printers. If you want to look for the default Wi-Fi name, at the bottom of the router, you can see there's a Wi-Fi access ID Asus _28. So just connect to this Wi-Fi. Go to your iPad or computer or handphone, go to the Wi-Fi setting. In this example, connect to the Asus _28. Click on the I or more details. So copy this router IP. So the last digit will always be .1. Go to your browser or Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome and paste the router IP just now to access to the router setting. Click here. Just click yes. Click on advanced. Just click proceed to the IP address. Then go to the menu setting. So for the router login name, put as admin, and then the password is A for the capital letter, B, 2, at. Repeat again. So set it like this. After that, just click next. So just follow this as a default. Just click next and click no. Set as automatic. Then choose automatic IP, which is DHCP. Just click next. So for the network name, change to T-Tag, and the password is T-Tag9900 with the capital T. After that, just click apply. Then just click complete. Then the router will restart. Then go to the Wi-Fi setting. It takes some time for the router to restart. Connect to the router just now, and the password T-Tag9900. Click on the I. Copy the router IP address. Go to the Chrome and paste it. Log in the username, which is admin and ad2@123456. Just click sign in. Click on the LAN and change the IP address into 192.16.123.1. Then just click apply and wait for the restart. Then go to the Wi-Fi setting again and connect to the T-Tag Wi-Fi. Click on it, click on the I, then you will find that the router IP address has been changed. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari pos system, cari Aseng.
Find Guinness Post, find Aseng.找 post system, 找 Aseng.